Looks like I might have scored me another car here, guys. I see it in there. Looks like it's gonna be a Tootsie, I think. Haha! Look at there. Awesome. I just found one of these in West Virginia. It was one of the dragsters. It's definitely a Tootsie. Awesome. Here I had to drive all the way to West Virginia just to find one. And I had one 10 minutes from my house. I'm here at this old house they're gonna burn down. They mowed the grass here, so I figured I'd give it a go again. And lo and behold, there's another dragster. That's awesome. Sweet. Alright guys, I'll get back with you. Alright guys, I think I might have another toy car right here. I don't have a whole lot of time. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like it's fixing a storm on me here, but I can, I don't know if you see that. Looks like a wheel right there. Yeah, I definitely think it's a wheel. So, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, sweet. Look at that. Awesome. And that was coming in as a crazy number too. I was getting, as you can see right there on the detector, it says 548, but it was coming in 548, 550. You know, normally you don't dig stuff like that, but it was a pretty repeatable, real good sounding target, and showed it not being too deep, so I went ahead and checked it. But awesome. Alright guys, get back with you. Alright guys, got another target here. I dug down the hole. There's a little bullet, and was rechecking it with the pinpointer, and there's still another target, and I see a wheel. Another car. Look at her. That was pink. See if I can't see. There might be a Tootsie toy there. It's got the right looking wheels, so I'll have to get it cleaned up and find out. Awesome. That's car number 3, I think. So I've been gridding this whole yard and stuff off. Just did that section over there, and now I'm starting to work this area. I think that makes car number 3. So sweet. Hopefully I can find a bunch more. Love finding those cars. All right, guys, get back with you. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a live dig here. I'm getting a good high 1246, 1146, 1147. Not too deep, 647. I'm gonna go ahead and dig it live. That way we can both be surprised. See what it is here. Bear with me here. It's hard to dig one-handed and film, so any of you guys out there that film and use a handheld, you understand. All right. Whatever it is right there. Oh, it's a coin. It's a quarter. Sweet. It's a 1984 quarter. Oh well. Something is gonna be numbers that high. I figured it was gonna be another car or something, but hey, I'll take a quarter. It's the second one for today, so sweet.